So I got this little connector because this hose house box needed a female to female way for me to turn on the water and get it into here so that the hose could work. It fit perfectly. It comes with little rubber like rings so that you can actually make it tighter if you need to, and worked on the first try.
So as you can see, it's draining not from the place we can do anything about. We can put the tape or whatever. It's draining from the actual mechanism. So yeah, pretty bad.